At Excel Farms, we found our ways, growing free beneath the golden sun. With each blade, a new journey's begun. Sustainable dreams in the heart of our land, raising sheep and goats hand in hand, with nature's rhythm we sing our song in this circle of life where we all belong. From seed to harvest, we cultivate hope, feeding our flock. Together we cope, nourished by earth, the future's in view. With wise farmer hearts, we'll see it through. Sustainable dreams in the heart of our land, raising sheep and goats hand in hand, with nature's rhythm we sing our song in this circle of life where we all belong. Join us in this vision, a flourishing path. Invest in tomorrow, together we act, building a farm that's healthy and bright, creating a world where our future takes flight. Sustainable dreams in the heart of our land, raising sheep and goats hand in hand, with nature's rhythm we sing our song in this circle of life where we all belong. Together we rise, making history great, building a legacy, it's never too late. Excel Farm shines with hope leading the way, in harmony with nature we'll seize the day.